So in this session, we'll be talking about a topic called SEO. So the expansion for SEO is search engine optimization. Okay? So how can you improvise your web page content, okay, according to the need of the search engines? Because the search engines, when they locate your web page or when they load the web page, they look for certain parameters or the contents, okay, which should have some features so that your web page is preferred over some other pages. Okay, for example, when I say the performance of the web page, the load time of the web page, or the content, okay, which the web page contains, okay, should match the requirements of the user, okay, who is searching for the web page. So all these things, they come under SEO. So SEO or search engine optimization is purely about the content of a web page. Okay, how you enhance the content of a web page so that the search engines, which are looking for the apt web pages with content or with good performance, so they will be loaded, okay, ahead of all the other web pages which are lagging those features. So we will see, okay, how to improve the performance of a web page practically, okay, with an example website. Okay, so I'm going to show you, okay, without enhancement, what is the performance. With enhancement, how is the performance of the web page improves everything. Okay. Now, if you look at this page, yeah, that what are the topics we're going to deal with? Just look at this. When you have to improve the performance of a web page by processing FCP. When I say FCP, it is nothing but first contentful paint. Okay, what is FCP or first contentful paint? It is a time, okay, when the page starts loading, okay, and the time when the first content of the page starts rendering. So the difference between these two. For example, let me call this as y minus x, just for easy understanding. Y minus x, where x is the time when the page starts loading, and y is the time when the first content of the page starts rendering or getting appearing on your web browser. Okay, so let us take x is at 1 second. Okay, 1 second, first second, and let us take y is 1.5 second. So the FCP is 0.5. That's it. Okay, if the FCP value is less than 1.8 seconds, then the performance of the site is good, or the performance of the web page is good. Okay, suppose is y minus x. Y is, for example, 3 seconds, and x is 1 second. Okay, so 3 minus 2, it is 2 seconds. So this value crosses 1.8. So we need some improvement in that web page. Okay, so how do we improve it? So I'm going to show you practically everything. Okay, so how to improve it? So I just see that there are certain things, you have to minify the CSS. See, for example, in your web page, we would have connected to various CSS files, and the CSS files may not be a minified CSS files. They will be a enlarged CSS files. So you have to replace those CSS files with a minified CSS. That we will do it. Then remove unused CSS. So I may have so many CSS files which are never used in my web page, but still I will have on my top of my header. So I can remove those unused CSS and remove unused JavaScripts. There are certain JavaScript files, okay, which are never used in our web page. So you can remove the JavaScript. So all these things will improve the FCP score. So the FCP score previously, which was around 3 or 4, okay, will come down to less than 1.8. So that we can see practically right now. Okay, so that's what we're going to see. The case study which I'm going to take will be my site called ecoding.co.in/index.html. Okay, so I'll just show you the page. I'll go to my browser. You can look at this. So this is the page. Look at this, ecoding.co.in. Okay, this contains certain paragraphs. Look at this. There are some paragraphs, 1, 2, 3, some paragraphs. Okay, and it's a demonstration for a website for showing performance. That's it. Okay, so this is my website actually. Now I will just show you the performance of this website by sending this link. Look at it. I'll just copy this link /index.html. Same, okay, same thing. I'll just copy this URL I'll go to my, see, I'll go to page speed insights. So this is, okay, a Google, suggested, okay, web link where you can check your performance, site's performance. Okay. So I'll just paste it here. Look at this, paste it here and analyze. I'll click on analyze. That's it. It starts analyzing right now. Look at this, running analysis. For mobile and desktop, it's analyzing. Okay, I'll give you the link also, the pagespeed.web.dev link, everything. Okay, I'll give it to you in the description. You can just try out your own site. Now let us see. It's now analyzing. We have to wait. Now look at this. Now the performance is 55. Look at this, 55. Accessibility is 74. Now we are going to do only about the performance. We will do later on all the other things. First, performance is 55 only. See, when you say 55, okay, how does it affect? So we'll let us see. See, it's what, see, first contentful paint is 5.1 seconds. Oh God, it's too much. Okay, it's too much. So it should be less than 1.8. Then only the FCP score is on less than 1.8. The performance, or the site will be improved. Okay, now how we are going to improve this? That's what I'm going to show you. Now what I'll do, I can just show you down. See the overall accessibility. Okay, even desktop also will have the same thing. If I click on desktop now, analyze for desktop. Okay, look at this. Same thing. Performance is 58, not improved. I'll just show you the FCP. See, FCP is 4.1 seconds. Still, it is large. It's huge. So what I'm going to do, see, I'll tell you where the problem is. Now I'll open my web page. See, this is index.html. Look at this. I'll just close this. See, this is my site. Look at this. Of course, it comes with a different URL. Okay, that's called easy for easy coding. The it's my own domain. Okay, I just got into this website. Look at this, easy coding. Look at this. You can see here, easycoding.co.in. I'll go to my public.html. The public, so I'll click on public.html. I am coming here. Look at this, index.html. I'll just right click here, or I'll click open it. See, look at this. You can just cross check it. See, easycoding.co.in, public.html. Okay, now look at this. Now I'll just go through all these things. Okay, now as far as this page is concerned, I'm not using any CSS at all. Okay, then why should I connect to various CSS files? So what I'll do, I will just remove the unnecessary CSS files. Look at this. I'll block it, control/. Okay, I'll keep only this CSS file, style.css. I'll keep this. Then this, let it be responsive CSS. Then I'm not using an image. I just comment it out. Then I think I'm not using jQuery and all. I'll just comment it out. As unnecessary things I'm using, I'll just go and font awesome. I'll just comment it out. Fine. And owl and all, I think right now it's not used. Of course, if it is used now, we can use. See, if we need in a web page, we can use it. But when we sometimes some web pages may not need at all. Why should you unnecessarily put all those CSS files and make your website slow? Okay, fine. Now what happened? I just commented everything. I'll just save it. I will just go and refresh my page. Yeah. Okay. Now, I think something has happened. So I'll just remove that coding and some part. There was some error. Yeah, I think some problem here. Yeah, I'll just remove this. Okay, just save it. I'll just load again. Yeah, some website for that. Yeah, this one. I'll remove this. Okay, so I'll just comment certain things which are not required. Save it. Yeah, so you see the web page is loaded. Okay, now I'll just go, and I think some CSS is good actually. Okay, I'll keep this one actually. Okay, so that my container will work actually. Look at this. Yeah, so see, it's inside a container. Okay, fine. Okay, now I saved it. Now I just go to my web page. I'll just refresh it again. Okay, this is my web page. Now the same web page which commented out unnecessary CSS files will be submitted back to, look at this. I'll just go here. See, right now you can note it down. The mobile score was 5.1 seconds. 5.1 seconds. Now I've commented the unnecessary CSS. Okay, now again I'll analyze the same page. Look at this. I'm analyzing again. Yeah, it's analyzing again the same page for mobile device. It takes some time. No other go. We have to wait. Okay, still the performance is a bit poor. So I'll just go back. I will just, anyway, I don't need that actually. See as a style. Responsiveness is not required. I'll just comment it out. Okay, or let it be like this. I'll see unnecessary things are there or not there. Okay. Okay, I'll just comment this. Save it. Save it. I'll just check it again. Yeah, the page looks like this. Now I'll analyze it. Same performance. Let us see again what happens. I'll try to improve this. CS.style.cs. Okay, I'll just comment this. I'll check again. Now analyze again. Yeah, the performance is same due to some other reason. Let us see what happens. Okay, I'll just see any other place it can be improved. Look at this. I'll comment it out. The CSS is not used at all, so I'll just comment it out. Okay, so I'll just refresh it again. Okay, analyze it again. Same performance. So let us see what happens. Okay, something, probably the page loading. I'll just close this and again open it. Yeah, so let me check again. Okay. Okay, I'll just save it again. Sometimes, if it's not saved, it'll see. What I'll do, I'll just open this page. Okay, the page is okay, but the page speed now I'll load again because sometimes it brings from the old one. I'll just remove the. Okay, fine. I'll just go here. I'll open it again. Save it again. Okay, I'll just say page inside. I'll just submit the page again. Okay, so I'll just say EC coding, analyze it. Yeah, you can see the performance. It has increased to 99, but we don't need 99. So what I'll just bring back one by one. So see, you can see here. Now the load time 0.8 seconds. Oh, what a good performance. But I want the certain things over here. Look at this. I want the bootstrap. Let me slowly improve it. Of course, some trade-off will be there. The performance will not further improve, but we will keep within 1.8 seconds. So I have saved it. Okay, I'll again analyze it. EC coding. Yeah, still the performance is same. Okay, fine. I'll just remove responsive also. I want it. So control / save. I saved it. Let me just check the performance again. Analyze it again. Running the analysis. Yeah, 93. It doesn't matter. See, it's 93. See, as long as it's in green, see see total blocking time, speed index, and you see the performance is 93. It's well and good. It's not a bad performance. We can see here. It's not a bad performance. 93. Okay, 93 is good actually. So I told you we are improving the performance only. I'll just check it for for desktop. It's very good. It's very good. Okay, the first contentful paint is 1.0 seconds. That's good, damn good. Okay, now what I can do, I can improve it. Okay, this style now. Okay, so I will comment it, uncomment this. Okay, and comment this. I'll save it. I'll try to improve for the mobile phone. Analyze my page for mobile device. See, normally it should be mobile first. You should check for mobile first. Okay, we'll see the performance. Yeah, so when I say 67, it comes down to 67. So the problem is with this. So we have to find out the problem and solve it. So this style.css now, it has got some internal link. So what I'll do, I'll just comment it out. Okay, I'll just save it. Just save it. Again, I'll see the performance. No, this is old one. Control Shift delete. Let it fetch the clear data. Sometimes it fetches the from browser memory and it takes the old data. So let us fetch a fresh content. So these are the ways we do it. We do to improve the performance. It takes some time and we have to ignore the these practical implementations will take time. No, because it's clearing the browser cache. That's it. It would have cleared. Anyway, I'll just check it again. I'll just analyze again. Okay, diagnose performance issues. Yeah, 98. That's good. See, now how we have improved the performance of a page. Okay, by commenting out unnecessary files actually. Basically, it is linking to a file called style.css. Okay, now I told you how to improve the performance for desktop as well as mobile phone. You see, it's first contentful paint 1.9 seconds. It does not it's not too much. Anyway, it's good only. Okay, but best thing is 1.8 seconds. But still, we can improve it. What way I can improve it now? We can just go here and sorry. Okay, I can go to my page. Okay, and try to see what is style.css content. Okay, and bootstrap.min.css, what are the different links it has. So by reducing or eliminating unnecessary links, we can improve the performance. Okay, fine. So I hope this session was useful. So I'll just show you the parameters. Look at this. We have improved the performance from 58 to 98. From 58 to 98 by just improving the on page links. Removing the unnecessary links from our web page. Okay, the content of the web page is improved, so that performance also improves. See, the performance is good now, then the page will be loading faster, so that users will not go away from your web page. That is why we improve the performance. Okay, so in SEO, this is one of the lessons where we improve the on-site or on-page content performance by eliminating the unnecessary links. Okay, which we are given in our web page. Okay, because web page may contain so many things which are unnecessary. We have to see and remove it. Okay, hope this session was useful. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you.